Why do some people naturally gain influence, respect, and control, while others constantly feel ignored, manipulated, or powerless? What if success is not only about talent or hard work, but also understanding human psychology, social dynamics, and power itself? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This controversial but highly influential book explores human behavior, influence, leadership, social strategy, emotional control, and the hidden dynamics of power that affect relationships, careers, business, and society. Human behavior is deeply influenced by power, perception, emotion, status, and psychology. Whether people realize it or not, social dynamics affect opportunities, relationships, influence, and leadership constantly. The book teaches that understanding these patterns can help people avoid manipulation, navigate complex environments, build influence, and protect themselves emotionally and strategically. One major lesson from the book is this: reputation strongly affects how people treat you. People often judge based on perception, credibility, confidence, and emotional presence. Reputation influences opportunities. The book repeatedly emphasizes emotional discipline. Many people lose influence because they react impulsively through anger, insecurity, ego, or emotional frustration. Learn to observe situations strategically. Emotional control improves decision-making. One powerful idea throughout the book is understanding people is one of the most valuable skills in life. Human behavior is often shaped by desires, fear, insecurity, ambition, and validation. Awareness improves relationships and leadership. The book also warns against unnecessary conflict. Many people waste energy fighting every disagreement emotionally. But strategic people understand, not every battle is worth your peace, reputation, or energy. One important personal reflection from this book is this: knowledge about influence and power can be used positively or negatively. Some lessons in the book may feel intense or controversial, which is why self-awareness and ethics matter deeply. One lesson I personally took from this book is many people underestimate how much emotional intelligence, perception, communication, and self-control affect success in real life. This book reminded me that understanding human behavior can help people navigate relationships, leadership, business, and difficult situations more wisely, but it should always be balanced with ethics and emotional maturity. The 48 Laws of Power reminds us, influence is not only about force or status, it's often about awareness, psychology, emotional control, and strategic thinking. If this message resonated with you, comment "Power with Wisdom" below as a reminder to develop confidence, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone interested in psychology, leadership, influence, business, or personal growth today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.